Spotlight Search on your iPad is a little used tool that actually saves a lot of time and is really, really great. To access it, on your home screen, pull down. You will see you now have a search bar and it automatically suggests some of your most frequently used apps. You can search for anything on your iPad on here. For example, if I type in presentation, you will see that I've got a top hit, which will be one of the keynote presentations that I've been looking at recently. But if I keep scrolling down, it will give me some suggestions on Siri. It will find files with that name in it. Some suggestions here for Keynote, Safari, but it will also search your photos for that text as well. So you can see here, it's brought up one of my photos that has the presentation title inside it. It'll take you to settings, and it can also search in particular apps for you. So if you know what you're kind of looking for in the title, but you're not too sure where it is in files, Spotlight Search is the place to go.